So now we have successfully converted this. Now I'm going to add a couple of extra things, everyone. What we are going to add? Can we add a AI agent also, which will generate for us, everyone? What exactly it will generate? I'm gonna whatever the instruction which are there, right? I'm gonna add the instruction. So here, define below, everyone. We will get the instruction from the on submission, everyone. So click on JSON. This is the instruction, prompt instruction. I'm gonna give this instruction to the AI agent. What is the instruction I'm gonna give you? I am telling that, okay, I want basically to create a caption for Instagram post. Instagram post. Chat model, which one we are going to use? Google Gemini. Google Gemini. Brain, should I add? Yes or no, everyone? So Google Gemini API key. I already have an API key. Just now I have done it. ये रही API की कहाँ गई? ये कहाँ से आ गई? API key just I have copied. Same. Click on OK. Done. Connection successful. Done. It means now it will generate what, everyone? Tell me. It will generate what? It will generate the caption also for us, right? Everyone agree with me? It will generate caption also along with that. So if you execute this step, it will take the instructions, whatever the instructions are coming, it will generate a Instagram post caption also. So the caption will look like this. Let me show you. This is how the caption will look like. So it will take time. Let it take time. Okay. Yes, here is the caption, everyone. If you see properly, here are the few options of Instagram caption playing differently. Remember to replace link there, right? It has generated some of the instructions. So there are the couple of exceptions, right? I want you to basically create a caption for Instagram for this prompt, right? Give me only the best caption as a result, right? That's it. Give me the best one. एक ही दे basically, because that's why because it has given multiple ones. We don't want to use multiple ones. That's why we have got only first one, right? After that, we want to upload this file also, right? Yes or no? I want you to upload this file to Google Drive also, right? Everyone, yes or no? I want to save this file also, right? Everyone, yes or no? So I'm going to click on upload file. So make sure credentials you have added. I have already added the construction, but again, because it is expired. So again, I will do the same magic, everyone. What is the magic? Go to console.google.com, Google Cloud Access. This is Google. Now it's done. Okay, multi blah 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 access and all. Okay. Anyways, how to create the access? Very simple. Go to credentials. You will find the credentials again. By the way, I would suggest everyone to note down, everyone. So you don't have to create again and again, just note down. So this time, what we are going to do, I'm going to save this also, okay, everyone. So whenever you are creating, make sure you don't have to create again and again these steps, right? So I'm going to write N8N, right? Authorize URL. This is the URL because I have changed my URLs. That's why I'm going to use this. Click on create. Please make sure that you save them actually, everyone. ठीक है, इसको सेव करके रख लेना. Next time you don't have to do it again and again, everyone. Right? So make sure that you save it. So client ID, client secret also. This part we have already done. So click on save. Done. So it means close. It means we can access. You can access the IDs. Let's see, file name in the My Drive, right? So I think here, right? And make sure. Let me see if we have Drive access or not. Okay. Sir, when we have a new account, every time we need to yes. For Drive access, do we have? Yes, we do have a Drive access. So make sure Drive access is also there. Right. So Google account, My Drive. And let me check if we have the Google Drive also, right? So what is the file name? File name you can give whatever, right? For example, content. Okay. And what exactly we are going to do? It will upload. It will where you want to upload. Basically, it is asking unable to sign us with the access token. Let me check. Is the access token not working? Let me check. By the way, Google upload we have already added in the last section, but So it is now generating the content for it. It is trying to access the operation needs to binary data. So data we have output. So this is convert file, extract file. So this is this data. This is the data we extract the file. This data we need to upload, right? So convert to file. Sorry, this convert to file we need to give. You just have to mention the data. That's it. That's a data you need to mention. Okay. I think there is an issue with the token, right? Everyone, yes? Let me add it again. What was the client ID? Oh, I think we have not done one step. I remember, right? Anyone know this? So client ID is, we have not done one step. If you remember, what was the client ID, everyone? This is the client ID. I think we missed one thing, right? Yes. We have missed one step. Sign in, we have missed, right? Yes. The moment you do that, there is a button also we need to do. Yes. Everyone remember that? Yes. Right. We need to click on, again, we need to sign in. We need to allow, after entering client ID and secret, you need to allow. You need to allow the Google Drive. Then only it will be able to access. So now is the connection is successful. Now you will see the root folder also. As you can see, there is an add function which is coming, right? So go to my Google Drive. There is, if I switch to my modulus one, modulus ID, there is a folder with the name of ads. I will create a folder with the name of content. Okay, so there's a new folder which is coming, which is called content. Now let's see if we are getting the access of content also. So let me content folder is now coming. Now it will save. So if you click here, execute step, now it will save the data. Let's see if it is able to save the data or not. Let's see. Everyone with me? Yeah. Okay. So here is the input data field. It is asking me where is the file. So this operation needs to be input data to contain a binary file, but none of the found in item 0. Okay. Here is the extracted file. Okay. Well, let's do one thing. I will upload first and then call the agent. Can we do that also? Yes or no? What do you think, guys? In between, I will call this. Okay. So after done, I will upload and then we will give it to AI agent. Is it fine? Can we do that? After converting the file, we will upload. Right? After converting the file, we will try to upload the file directly. Directly, we'll try to upload the file. And as you can see, there is a success message. It means this is the file you can see. Everyone, this is the file which is generated. Very good. File is generated. By the way, you can change the name also, everyone. So name you can give as an expression also. So here you can use certain name. So the name will be always same, content. So what you want, but you want random names to be generated, right? Or some name which is whatever you have given. So what I'm going to do is on the form submission, here you can see there was a file name also. So I will append this also. Is it fine, everyone? Is it fine? So the name will be now different. So content underscore whatever the file name that you have given. So the name will be little different now. So every time now it will do, the name will be different, everyone. You can see it will upload. Let me see. Upload it done. You can see the name. This is now which makes sense, which is different, right? So now we have uploaded also. And after that, we will call the agent. So agent will also give you the agent will basically give you the caption. That's it. Nothing it is going to do. It will give you the caption. That's it.